Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first the derivative of the function. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about product rule of the derivative. So we will do first the derivative of this one. Multiply by ln(s). Later that we do first the derivative of ln(s). Multiply by e to the power of 2s. So this one in here, we will have 2e to the power of 2s. Because if we do first the derivative of e to the power of 2s, we keep about e to the power of 2s, and later that we continue do first the derivative of 2s. First the derivative of 2s, we have number 2 in here. First the derivative of ln(s), we have 1 over s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.